this all sweat?
Yeah.
Nice. Everything's fine, Brian. Just don't worry about it, Brian. Shh. Mark, I'm gonna need you to keep everyone calm here. Good morning, little chef. Welcome to another episode of what it's like to be a chef on a yacht. Of course, I started my day with some coffee, and the crew requested smoothies for breakfast. I've used this blender almost every single morning to make smoothies, and it's been great. I don't have to clean a whole giant blender every time. I have a link in the description for the blender. The trash was getting a bit full, so I took that out and replenished with a new bag. Since we're staying in a marina, included in the rate is trash service. Brian's hair was getting a little long, so I went from chef to barber. If you get hair on yourself, you're gonna go shower. You haven't showered yet today, right?
All right, hope you're ready.
Okay, hat off. This all sweat?
Yeah.
Nice. These are really nice clippers. I feel like a true barber.
Aren't you supposed to use two hands?
No, don't critique me. You're gonna love it.
Can I play music? Or no?
Yeah,
What kind of music?
whatever you feel like. Are you nervous?
No, I just feel like you're gonna miss right above my ear.
Just don't move. That's all I'm gonna say. Brian, if you want your hair to look like sh**, doesn't matter. You sing if you want to sing.
No, Mark does it. He doesn't like my singing.
What did he say?
He's like, well, you know they get paid for that. You don't.
Look at this. You documenting too, Mark?
How bad is it so far?
Trash. I haven't done the front.
Oh, can I get a mullet?
Too late. You should have called that when I asked you what do you want. Do you want it shorter, yes or no?
Sure.
Shorter?
Yeah. Are you doing a skin fade?
No, unless you want me to.
Do a skin fade.
Do a skin fade.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll have to redo a fade. It'll look sick. Little Chef Barbershop.
Is she using two hands or one?
No, I literally started. He's like, "You're supposed to use two hands." I'm fading. I'm here right now. What? This? That's his calic. Looking like what? Buckwheat? Oh my gosh. No.
Shave my head.
He's doing his own beard.
You want to do my beard too? You can do my beard.
Now he trusts me.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
I think he was scared at first. He's like, "Oh, you don't know how to do this shit." Hey, that looks good.
You're right.
What do you think? That looks sick.
Like a sick fade.
That's a sick fade right there. All right, let me get your neck. No, the little one's for the fin. Yeah, well, already started.
Ow.
Did I cut you? All right, this is the part where I'm not super confident. And this part, that's how I'm not joking. It looks great, but okay. I know we need a fin. So let's see where the fin should go. I might need to start lower.
You gonna draw it out?
With Kool-Aid? With what? A pencil? What? Permanent marker? The fin is gonna go up really freaking high.
Why?
What if I just do like a bolt, like Lightning McQueen? Ka-chow!
Don't take it out, put the fin in there.
The fin, if I do a true
It doesn't
fin.
have to be freaking big. You can just go whoop.
Do the fin.
Wait, you want me to like go like that? Oh, like that.
No.
Okay, so here are your options. Here are your options. I could just start. Look.
Do a fin. Don't make it ugly.
Right, just do a fin.
Well, I need to ask your opinion.
Does it matter?
Yes, because if it looks bad, it would be your decision.
And if it looks good, it's yours.
Do it.
All right.
Start chopping.
I need to have a plan. If I don't have a plan, it's not gonna look good. All right, here I go. Brian, I'm nervous. Don't move. Tell the doc to stop moving.
Why is it so big?
It's, what do you mean? It's not by that. Dude, it looks like you got a battle wound.
Is it a triangle?
No, it's not a triangle yet. I have to figure out the shape. Now I have to come back like this. I've got to come back like this. Just let me do it. Well, it looks more like a triangle than anything. It looks kind of dope actually.
Dope?
Yeah, it looks dope.
What's dope mean?
Let me clean it up. One second. Shark bite fin.
Just put it on one side or you put it on both?
Depends on how much he likes it.
Do it whatever the hell you want to do.
Well, once you get down to the skin fade, you can't really tell. You know? That's sick. Show Gina. Yeah. Wait, she can't see.
Oh, it's that bad?
No, it's not that bad. It looks like a shark fin.
What the fuck is that?
Are you serious? It's a shark fin. If you're not happy with it,
The other way.
you didn't pay anything for it. I think it looks great. You want it on the other side, or you want Mickey Mouse on the other side?
On the other side?
Everyone says, hi, Captain Mark, do you want a cookie? All right, a wave. He wants a wave.
Hi, followers. Everybody good? I hope so.
Can you hold this while I'm gonna do that.
No.
He says no. What kind of wave do you want?
Just like a... It curves back.
The shark fin is actually pretty cool. Yeah, look up what you want, and then tell me. Oh. Everything's fine, Brian. Just don't worry about it, Brian. Shh. Mark, I'm gonna need you to keep everyone calm here. It's a wave, it's a wave, it's a wave. It doesn't really look like a wave.
That looks like a diamond.
Really not bad.
It is bad.
Put an eye in it, and it will be a bird.
What?
That's what they said.
A bird.
You could fade out both. I could go up higher with the fade and fade it out. Somebody said leave it. It looks fine. Triangle and rectangle. Rectangle. Honestly, it's like.
I like
Looks like mountains. It's not bad. It looks great.
Hey, if you want to do a mountain range instead.
Brian,
Yeah.
don't give her any more ideas, okay?
That's a backhanded comment. Somebody said it looks fine. It will grow out. I think Brian's a little pissed. Look at that shark fin. It looks a lot better on camera, Brian. Turn your head. Let's see the rectangle. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop. I think I'm gonna stop. I got showered up and back into the galley to do some creamy preps. We're gonna start all of them with some milk. The first flavor is gonna be white chocolate raspberry. White chocolate pudding mix, raspberry jam, and white chocolate chips. I'm also doing berry cheesecake, chocolate peanut butter, and pistachio. All the creamy prep is done. Let's get these into the freezer for at least 24 hours. I have a lot of steak that I need to use, so I'm gonna prep this in 2 ways. I'll cut all of the steak really thin. I'm gonna marinate half of this in an Asian marinade to make stir fry tomorrow night. My favorite thing to use for marinating meats are Ziploc baggies. You can massage the meat into the marinade without getting your hands dirty, and you have an easy cleanup. So I threw in some sesame oil, sugar, salt, pepper, cornstarch, and soy sauce for the Asian marinade. And with the rest of the steak, I'm gonna make some steak tacos for lunch. Season that up with garlic, chili powder, cumin, and jalapeno juice. Seared it off, set up the buffet, and called down the crew for lunch. For crew meals, this is typically how I serve all of the meals. I'll set it up in the galley and radio them to come and grab it. Since we start our days very early, we have lunch around 11 to 11:30 a.m. This works really well because the crew's fed before lunch service starts and they can help out. I also had a lot of chicken to use, so I'm going to be using this in 2 ways as well. The first way I'm going to use this is by making butter chicken that we're going to have for dinner tonight. I'll serve that with some broccoli and some cardamom saffron rice. The second way I'm going to use the chicken is by making a chicken salad. And we won't eat this today. I'm actually going to cool it and have it available for tomorrow's lunch. The more that I can prep ahead of time, the better. I like adding a touch of sweetness into my chicken salad, so I'm adding apple and dried cranberries. For my base, I'll add in some mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, salt, sugar, and pepper. My chicken breasts are nice and tender, so I'll take those out, cube them up, and throw them into the mix. Mix everything together, portion it out, cover it, and into the fridge to pull tomorrow for lunch. I cleaned up the galley and then headed to go see our feral cat, Luna. All right, we've got some leftover fried conch here, and we're bringing it to Luna. He's just looking. This is strange of you not to just go at it. Mark! This is a great spot for photos up here.